Okay. So good evening to all. In the last lecture, I told you about the ionic product of water. Ionic product of water is the product of concentrations of H plus and OH minus is known as ionic product of water. So here H plus concentration, OH minus concentration product can be taken as ionic product of water here. Okay, you see. So Kw is ionic product of water. In water, number of H plus ions is equal to number of OH minus ions. Okay, if you take in water, the number of H plus ion concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration. Both the concentrations of H plus and OH minus are equal. So I can write here, so H plus concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration is equal to 1.0 into 10 power minus 7 mole per liter at 298 Kelvin. Okay, so 298 Kelvin, H plus concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration. Both are having same value, that is 1.0 into 10 power minus 7 m. Capital M means mole per liter. Okay, at 298. So why I written particularly temperature means this ionic product of water depends on temperature. The temperature dependent. So if you see Kw is equal to H plus into OH minus. So I can write here Kw is temperature dependent. Kw is temperature dependent. If we change the temperature, the product of concentration of H plus and value will be changes. So what I can write? 1.0 into 10 power minus 7 into 1.0 into 10 power minus 7. So resulting how much I'll get the value? So Kw is equal to 1.0 into 10 power minus 14 m square at 298 Kelvin. Okay. Understood? Now, so I will written here Kw is a temperature dependent. It depends on temperature. Okay, listen. So product of concentration of H plus and OH minus is called as Kw. The last class I told you for pure water undergo dissociation, it can form ionic equilibrium. So I'm writing the Kw. Previous class I told you how I have written the Kw. Is it clear? This equation is clear. So Kw is equal to H plus concentration to OH minus ion concentration said to be Kw. So here in water, if you take the water, this is a water. So in water, if you assume that water undergo dissociation, how it dissociate? H plus and OH minus. It dissociate into H plus and OH minus. So the number of H plus ion is equal to number of OH minus. Is it same concentration or different concentration? Water, same only. So whenever if the molecule dissociate, the number of H plus ion concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration. H plus ion concentration ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ OH minus ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. Same will be there. So that's why written H plus concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration. That value is a constant value, which is a constant value which is measured by using some experimentation values at 298 Kelvin, 1.0 into 10 power minus 7 mole per liter at 298 Kelvin. Now I'm writing Kw is equal to H plus into OH minus ion concentration. So H plus into OH minus. H plus is 1.0 10 power minus 7. OH minus also 1.0 10 power minus 7. If you multiply these two, what will get? Kw is equal to 1.0 into 10 power minus 14 molarity square, mean mole per liter square at 290. Understood? Understood all of you? Still any doubt? Okay. Now you see, if H plus concentration is more than OH minus ion concentration. I told you in water they have same concentration. In pure water they have same concentration. But if you take the acid's concentration, acid concentration means if you take the water, in that if you add a few ml of acid, what happened? H plus concentration becomes more compared to OH minus ion. Then it is said to be acidic. It is acidic solution. If H plus concentrations are less than OH minus ion concentration, then it is basic solution. If H plus concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration, if both are equal, that is said to be neutral solution. Neutral solution. Okay. Next. Next, I'll write here pH scale. So what is pH? pH actually, which is used to find out the nature of the substances, nature of the aqueous solutions, whether it is acidic or basic or neutral solutions, there is strong acid or weak acid, strong base or weak base, that we can find out based on the pH value. So pH definition, what I can read the point, the negative logarithm, to base 10 of activity of H plus ion concentration. Activity of hydrogen ion. That's it. Concentration will write later. So negative logarithm to base 10. Negative logarithm to base 10. Base should be 10 of activity of hydrogen ion. So actually activity of hydrogen ion will be equal to concentration of hydrogen ion. Okay, activity of hydrogen ion is equal to concentration of hydrogen, that is mole per liter. Instead of the activity term, what we write? Concentration term, because activity AH means AH plus stands for activity of hydrogen ion is equal to H plus concentration in mole per liter. So the formula I write here, pH is equal to, so negative logarithm of H plus concentration base 10. So this is the formula. So another formula we can write this one, or pH is equal to negative logarithm of H3O plus base 10, or pH is equal to logarithm of 1 by H3O plus concentration base 10. Okay, so these are different formulas. So similarly we have POH also. POH also negative logarithm of OH minus ion concentration base 10. So the same way we can write POH also. So pH, this is a pH formula. Instead of H plus concentration, we can write H3O plus concentration. If you remove the minus, if you remove the negative sign here, it will become reciprocal, 1 by. So this is also reciprocal. If you remove the minus, it will be reciprocal value. Okay. Now, if we observe the pH scale, if you observe, so there is a 102 pH scale. I'll write here. We completed. I'll write here. You see, so 0 to 14 pH scale, 0 to 14 will be there. Okay, so here what I write is, so when the pH value decreases from 7 to 0, as pH value decreases, acidic nature increases. Acidic nature increases. Here, if you go more right side, as pH value increases, basic nature increases. Okay, in the pH scale from 0 to 14, if the pH value decreases, acidic nature increases, acidic strength increases. Okay, okay, now here exactly pH 7 is what? If it is pH 7, what we write? Neutral solution. Okay, so acid, base, neutral. H plus ion concentration, pH. OH minus ion concentration, POH. If you see this, okay, for acids, for acid H plus concentration should be, here the pH value always should be less than 7. If pH value less than 7, OH minus concentration greater than 10 power minus 7. And OH minus concentration less than 10 power minus 7, pH value will be greater than, POH will be greater than 7. For basic solution, pH value should be less than 10 power minus 7. Less than 10 power minus 7 means less than 10 power minus 8, 10 power minus 9, 10 power minus 10. That is the value. If I write greater than 10 power minus 7, H plus concentration should be greater than 10 power minus 7 for acids. Greater than 10 power minus 7 means 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 5, 10 power minus 4. If you write like this, the pH value will be decreases. So here what I write? Greater than 7. For bases, pH value should be greater than 7. For OH minus ion concentration, what I can write here? Greater than 10 power minus 7. And this should be less than 7. And for neutral is equal to 10 power minus 7. pH exactly is equal to 7. And OH minus also 10 power minus 7. POH also 7. Is this clear, this table? If you have any doubt, you ask me, I'll explain. Ten power minus 7, you see, actually when you solve the problem, you'll understand, but I'll tell you simple problem here. If H plus concentration is equal to 10 power minus 6, H plus concentration 10 power minus 6, what is the pH of this? pH is equal to minus log 10 power minus 6. pH formula, you know, what is the pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus. So if you write this formula, negative logarithm of 10 power minus 10, the formula is there for here. I'll tell you here now. Okay, after this, I'll tell you the formulas. According to the formula, pH is equal to 6. Okay, if H plus concentration 10 power minus 6, pH is equal to 6. If H plus concentration 10 power minus 5, pH 5. H plus concentration 10 power minus 4, pH 4. H plus concentration 10 power minus 1 pH1. Understood? It's like that. If H plus concentration more than 10 power minus 7, more than 10 power minus 7 means what? 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 5, 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 1. So these are H plus ion concentration. What is the pH of this? What is the pH of this? 6. pH of this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. If you take greater than 10 power minus 7, then only you will get the pH values between 0 to 6. Between 0 to 6 you will get. When if you take the H plus concentration greater than 10 power minus 7. Understood? That's why written less than 7. When you get less than 7 pH value for acids, if you take H plus concentration greater than 10 power minus 7. Okay. Now, so we have a simple formula here. So, I think I already written here acids pH less than 7, bases pH greater than 7, neutral pH is equal to 7. Okay, you have to remember everything. pH for acids pH less than 7, for bases pH greater than 7, for neutral pH is equal to 7. Okay, so we have a simple relation. Sorry, we have simple relation just now written, that is, shall I rub this? I have written. Okay. Now, here, so as we know from ionic product of water, Kw is equal to H plus concentration into OH minus ion concentration is equal to. Before this, I'll tell you logarithm formulas, then I'll derive this. I'll tell you from logarithm formulas, then I'll derive. So you just write the formulas, logarithm formulas. Okay. So you write first log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. So everywhere, when I write log, it definitely contain base 10. If I don't write 10 also, it will be 10 for log. Okay. For LOG log, there should be always base 10 only. Next, another formulas, log A by B base 10 is equal to log A minus log B. Okay. Log x power m is equal to m log x. So these are formulas. Next, log 1 by x is equal to minus log x, or else I'll write like this, minus log x is equal to log 1 by x. If remove the negative sign here, this x become reciprocal. Okay. Next, log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. Log 1 base 10 is equal to 0. Next, log A base 10 is equal to x. If log 10 base, if right here, if log 10, log A base 10 is equal to x, then A is equal to 10 power x. A is equal to 10 power x. Okay. If minus log a base 10 is equal to x, then x is equal to 10 power minus x. 10 power minus x. And some log values you have to remember. Few log values. Actually, you need not to always no need to see the log values. Some log values I will tell. Log 2 value 0.30. Log 3 value 0.47. Log 5 value 0.69. Log 7 value 0.81. Sorry, 84. Okay, we can remember this. We have to remember log 2, log 3, log 5, log 7. If we get log 4, we write log 2 square. If we get log 6, we write log 2 into log 3, log 2 into 3. If we get log 8, again we can write log 2 into 4. If we get 9, we can write log 3 cube, 3 square, sorry. Understood these formulas? Shall we apply these formulas in the numericals? Now we'll derive few formula. I'll derive one relation here. Thereafter we'll solve the problem. So mainly you will apply these formulas. This formula you apply. This formula. This formula. This formula. Mainly we apply these formulas. Okay. More frequently we apply. All logarithm formulas you have to remember. There is no doubt in this. Every logarithm formula is important only. But we use more. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. All have you written? These are very easy to remember. Log 2. 2 means after 2 which number you will get? 3. Log 3 after 3 which number you will get? 4. 0.4. Log 5 after 5 which number you will get? 6. So 0.6. After 7 0.8. Okay, that way you just remember that values. You will apply now. Okay. Now, so as we know, Kw is equal to H plus concentration into OH minus and concentration is equal to 1.0 into, shall I rub this? 1.0 into 10 power minus 14. So I'll take here just for reference 10 power minus 14. 1.0 into 10 power minus 14, nothing but what? 10 power minus 14 only. Same, there is no difference in that. Now, so apply negative logarithm on both sides. I mean, taking negative logarithm. Negative log on both sides. Carefully observe this derivation, simple derivations only. Okay. So what happened? Negative log Kw, negative log H plus into OH minus. Okay. Is equal to negative log 10 power minus 14. Okay. So what I can write? Negative log Kw, what I can write? So we know that negative log H plus concentration we can write as pH, right? Negative log OH minus concentration we write as POH, right? So negative logarithm of KW, what we can write? Negative log H plus PH, negative log OH minus POH, negative log KW, what we can write? PKW. Okay, so here negative log KW, what should I write here? PKW is equal to, so this is log A into B. So this is A, this is B. So log A into B formula. What is log A into B formula? Just now I told you. Log A plus log B. So minus log H plus log A plus log B. Okay, is equal to, this is log exponentium. What is log exponentium formula? M log x, right? M log x. So here what I get? Minus of minus 14. Here base will be 10. Log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10. Okay. So PKW is equal to, if I expand the minus log H plus minus of log OH minus is equal to 14 log 10 base 10 value, log 10 base 10 1. Okay, so here PKW is equal to negative logarithm of H plus PH, negative logarithm of OH POH is equal to 14. So PH plus POH is equal to 14. Understood? Completed? Okay. Next, we'll solve some problems here. Calculate the pH of (0.001 HCl solution. See, this is HCl is strong acid. It can dissociate completely. So this H plus concentration is 0.001 m. Right? So this is, so H plus concentration can be taken as 0.001, that I can write 1 into 10 power minus 3 m. Right? 0.001, what should I write? 1 into 10 power minus 3. So pH, negative logarithm of H plus, substitute in this formula. H plus you substitute there. Yes, 3, correct. So minus log H plus concentration 10 power minus 3. So always I told you, if I write just log, it means there is a 10 in this. If I don't write 10 also, that should be 10 for log. So log exponentium formula, m log x. This is x, this is m. So what I can write? minus of minus 3 log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10 1. So pH is equal to 3. So if pH is equal to 3, that is acidic solution. Right? Understood the problem? Okay. Next problem. Calculate the pH of 0.01 m H2SO4 solution. H2SO4 solution. So in this problem, it is given sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid has a 2 hydrogens. So given concentration should be multiplied with 2 hydrogens. Don't take directly this concentration as H2 plus, because given acid is strong acid which is sulfuric acid. 2 H plus are there. So we have to remember that H2SO4 dissociate into 2H plus plus SO4 minus 2. So given concentration we have to multiply with 0.01. So that is equal to 0.02. Okay. So we have to take this one, this concentration. So H plus concentration should be 0.002 because it contains 2 hydrogens. So I should write this one as 2 into 10 power minus 3. So therefore pH is equal to negative logarithm of 2 into 10 power minus 3. So this is log A into B. What is log A into B formula? Log A plus log B. So I rated this one as log 2 plus log 10 power minus 3. Okay. So log 2 value 0.30 plus minus 3. This is log x power m. Yes, correct ma. 2.7. So this is log x power m. X power m formula is what? M log x. So I write minus 3 log 10 base 10 is equal to minus of 0.3 minus 3 into 1. So you'll get here 3 minus 0.3 is equal to 2.7. Is that clear? All of you got the answer? 2.7. Okay. So calculate the pH of next problem. 0.05 m NaOH solution. We have to find out the pH for NaOH. NaOH contain which type of concentrations? OH minus. NaOH will not have H plus. It has OH minus and concentrations. Okay. So first to find out the POH. So how you got 3.3? You multiply with minus. You have to multiply with minus. If you multiply with minus, minus into minus plus 3 minus 0.3. 3 minus 0.3 will get 2.7. You have to multiply with minus. So how it becomes 0? We don't get 0. You see. You see. So NaOH dissociates into Na plus plus OH minus. Given concentration is 0.05, that is OH minus ion concentration. Don't take this concentration as H plus. This concentration is OH minus ion concentration. So OH minus ion concentration is equal to 0.05. That is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 2. So first to find out POH. If you find out the POH, pH plus pH is equal to 14. We have relation. From that we can find out the pH. pH is 2.69. Let us see. So first find out POH. Negative logarithm of OH minus. So negative logarithm of 5 into 10 power minus 2. So minus log A into B, log A plus log B, log 5 plus log 10 power minus 2. Log 5 value, I already told you. What is log 5 value? You have to remember this simple value 0.69. So 0.69 log x power m minus 2 log 10 base 10. So you'll get minus of 0.69 minus 2 into 1. So what you'll get here? 2 minus 0.69, you'll get 1.31. This is POH. Okay? Yes, correct. pH. So POH is 1.31, but we have to find out pH. So pH plus POH is equal to 14. So pH is equal to 14 minus POH, that is equal to 14 minus 1.3, 12.69. Understood? All of you? So whenever they give base, OH minus ion concentration containing solution, don't take directly pH formula. We can't substitute OH minus ion concentration in H plus pH formula. So whenever they give OH minus ion concentration, first to find out the POH. So after finding the POH, we have a relation. pH plus POH is equal to 14. From this, if you simplify again, you will get the pH value. Okay. Next problem. The concentration of hydrogen ion in a sample of soft drink is 3.8 into 10 power minus 3. Calculate pH. So here I am giving log 3.8 value. I will give you the log 3.8 value 0.58. .58 no. You are adding. We had to subtract. Ali negative sign mistake ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. So here, so H plus concentration of soft drink is 3.8 into 10 power minus 3. Yes, correct, ma 2.42, right. So pH is equal to minus log 3.8 into 10 power minus 3 minus log A into B 3.8 plus log 10 power minus 3. You had to be careful in the negative signs. Okay, you have to multiply with this minus. Don't include this minus inside this. If you include inside this, you don't multiply with this plus. So you write separately minus first. Then you write log A and B for this formula. After finding this, then last you multiply with minus. Otherwise, you will get mistake. Log 3.8, 0.58 plus minus 3 log 10 base 10 minus of 0.58 minus 3 into 1. So 3 minus 0.58 is equal to 2.42. Understood? Next problem. Calculate the pH of calculate the pH of 1.0 into 10 power minus 8 m HCl solution. I expected this answer. I expected this answer from you. You will say 8. But see, if you get pH is equal to 8, given substance is what? HCl, acid. Do you think that for HCl, pH is equal to 8? Is it true? For HCl, is pH is equal to 8? So whatever the concentration may be, whatever the dilution may be, pH of the acids is always less than 7. That should be always less than 7. So remember this. So for this problem, if we just write pH is equal to minus log 10 power minus 8 is equal to 8. This is not true. Don't calculate like this. Whenever you have concentration less than 10 power minus 7, when the concentrations of H plus less than 10 power minus 7, you had to include the concentrations of water also. It means what? 10 power minus 8 concentration means what? 10 power minus 8 means 0.000001 means it is very dilute, very dilute solution. How we get very dilute solution? On adding more water. When we add more water to the HCl, we'll get this kind of very dilute solutions. So in that case, we should include the water concentration also. In water, H plus concentration. What is the concentration of H plus in water? 1.0 into 10 power minus 7. That concentration also we had to include for H plus concentrations. So here you remember that. So if H plus concentration is less than 10 power minus 7, they are very dilute solutions. So in that case, to calculate H plus concentration from for this you just write here No, answer is not 0. Answer is not 0. So given H plus concentration plus H plus concentration from water. Given H plus concentration, instead I will write here H plus concentration from acid. Okay. So to calculate the H plus, what should you do? H plus concentration from acid plus H plus concentration from water. So what is the H plus concentration from acid? 10⁴ minus 8. So H plus concentration is equal to 10⁴ minus 8 plus H plus concentration from water. In water, what is the concentration of H plus? 1.0 into 10⁴ minus 7. So I'll let 10⁴ minus 7. So take 10⁴ minus 7 common in this. So 10⁴ minus 1 plus 1. So I'll get 10⁴ minus 7. This is 1 by 10 plus 1. We simplify this. 10⁴ minus 7 into 11 by 10. So that is equal to 1.1 into 10⁴ minus 7. So this is the H plus concentration we have to take into the formula. So therefore, pH is equal to negative logarithm of. So therefore, yes, 6.9, correct. pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus concentration. So negative logarithm of 1.1 into 10⁻⁻7. So here what? Log A into B. Log A plus log 10⁻⁻7. So log 1.1 value. Log 1.1 value is 0.041. Okay, 41. So I'll take here 0.041. This becomes minus 7. So what you will get the value? So 7 minus 0.041 is equal to 6.959. Can split as 1.1 as 1 plus 0.1. Yes, we can do that also. Yes, we can do that also. Okay. That will be simple actually comparing to this. Here you should know log 1.1 value. If I simplify this, 10⁴ minus 1 plus 1 is very easy. So final answer is what? 6.9, which is less than 7. Understood? When you had to add the H plus concentration from water, whenever H plus concentration less than 10⁴ minus 7, 10⁴ minus 8, 10⁴ minus 9, 10⁴ minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14. For that concentration for H plus is given, you have to add the H plus from water also. Understood all of you? All of you written? Okay. So next, what we'll write is, write a few points about this. Whatever the volume of water is added, the pH of acid is always less than 7 and pH is greater than 7 for bases. So whatever the water you can add, you can add excess, you can add less water, whatever the water you can add. But the pH of the acid is always less than 7 and for base is always greater than 7. This is fixed value. We cannot change pH value. You don't write pH value greater than 7 for acid. There is always less than 7 only. Okay. Next point. If aqueous solution of acid is diluted by water, then its pH value. Can you tell me, when the acid is diluted, to water, what happens to the pH value? Increase or decreases? When water is added to the acids, concentration of acid decreases, number of H plus ions decreases. When number of H plus ion decreases, acidic strength decreases. When acidic strength decreases, pH value increases. So pH value increases. Okay. So diluted by 10 times. Divided by 10 times. pH increases by 1 unit. Second, diluted by 100 times. pH increase by 2 unit. Don't add water to the acid. Acid should be added to the water. We should not add water to the acid. We have to add acid to the water. Okay. If you add reverse, it becomes exothermic. Okay. So diluted by 1000 times. pH increase by 3 unit. So change in pH is equal to initial pH plus log V2 by V1. V1 is equal to initial volume V2 is equal to final volume. Understood? Similarly, we are taking the water for acids. If acid is added by water, pH value increases. If I take the base NaOH, KOH, if when we add water to the base or base to the water, when we add base to the water, what happens pH value? pH value becomes decreases. Okay. So write the next point. This is completed. All of you complete this. Okay. If aqueous solution of base, instead of acid, what I'm writing, base is diluted with water, its pH value decreases. Diluted by 10 times, pH decreases by 1 unit. Diluted by 100 times, pH decreases by 2 unit. Diluted by 1000 times, pH decreases by 3 unit. I am writing here for base. Okay. So change in pH is equal to initial pH. pH will decrease alva. So I'll write minus. Okay. So write these formulas. Okay. So enough for today. I'll continue in next class. We'll solve some problems about this. You keep reading. Okay. You have to read regularly your class notes, because equilibrium chapter involves so many concepts. Concepts are more in equilibrium. Okay. Read regularly. We'll continue next class.